taken for forbidden purpose, end quote. Fitzgerald 457 U.S. at 756, see id at 753, quote, in view of the visibility of his office and the effect of his action on countless people, the president would be an easily identifiable target for suits for civil damages, end quote. But the decision to initiate a federal prosecution is committed to the prosecutorial discretion of the executive branch. Prosecutors have ethical obligations not to initiate unfounded prosecutions, and, quote, courts presume that they properly discharge their official duties, end quote. United States v. Armstrong, 517 U.S. 456 464, 1996. Quoting United States v. Kim, found, Inc., 272 U.S. 1, 14 Tac 15, 1926. There are additional safeguards in place to prevent baseless indictments, including the right to be charged by a grand jury upon a finding of probable cause. U.S. Constitution Amendment 5, Cayley v. United States, 571 U.S. 320, 328, 2014. Quote, grand juries are prohibited from engaging in arbitrary fishing expeditions and initiating investigations out of malice or an intent to harass, end quote. Vance 140 SCT at 2428, quoting United States v. R. Enterprise Enters, Inc., 498 U.S. 292, 299, 1991. Additionally, former President Trump's, quote, predictive judgment, end quote, of a torrent of politically motivated prosecutions, quote, finds little support in either history or the relatively narrow compass of the issues raised in this particular case, end quote. See Clinton 520 U.S. at 702, as former President Trump acknowledges that this is the first time since the founding that a former president has been federally indicted. Weighing these factors, we conclude that the risk that former presidents will be unduly harassed by meritless federal criminal prosecutions appears slight. On the other side of the scale, we must consider, quote, the constitutional weight of the interest to be served, end quote, by allowing the prosecution of a former president to proceed. Fitzgerald 457 U.S. at 754. The public has a fundamental interest in the enforcement of criminal laws. Vance 140S CT at 2424. Quote, our historic commitment to the rule of law is nowhere